Hey, what is up people, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about ChargePoint holding on this video. Before starting the video, I want to declare that ChargePoint stock is massively undervalued right now. So if you are looking for such stock which is poised to boom in the next couple of years alongside EV industry, then probably you should consider putting ChargePoint on the top of your list. Currently, I hold over 100 shares of ChargePoint stock. You can watch that in my portfolio update video. I was a bit disappointed with ChargePoint as all of my gains was taken away by the recent sell-off, still ongoing correction. But yesterday the stock gained over 7%, and today as of now on the pre-market the stock is over 6%. That is a massive relief for me and of course for all the ChargePoint investors. This shows that people are realizing that the stock was undervalued. Having said that, you should know I'm not a financial advisor. You must do your own research before you invest. However, if you like the video, make sure to destroy that red subscribe button right now, and a big thumbs up will be appreciated. Trading to and to link is down in the description. If you wanna get free share worth up to £100, all you gotta do is register and then deposit at least £1 so that we both get one free share each worth up to £100. ChargePoint is the biggest charging company in America, and we know that ChargePoint controls over 70% of label to charging stations in the country. But ChargePoint is nowhere near on the top list for DC fast charging stations. Over half of the total number of superchargers are controlled by Tesla. So I think definitely this is where the company should be focusing on. They should install more fast chargers rather than level 2 chargers. But today there was a big news from the company which shows that the company is committed to bring more superchargers in near future. ChargePoint and Natso progressed toward 2030 fast charging commitment across the United States. ChargePoint, a leading electric vehicle charging network, and Natso, representing travel plazas and truck stops, today announced significant progress in the first year of National Highway Charging Collaborative, an initiative that will leverage $1 billion in public and private capital to deploy charging at more than 4,000 travel plazas and fuel stops serving highway travelers and rural communities nationwide by 2030. In its first year, the public-private collaborative successfully funded more than 150 DC fast charging spots with additional access to more than 1,500 publicly available DC fast charging spots for consumers on ChargePoint's existing network. So according to this article, ChargePoint has partnered with Natso, which represents travel plazas and truck stops in the United States, which is basically a service stations. We have likes of Extras, Motos and Roadsafe in the UK, and by 2030 there will be more than 4,000 such service stations in America which will provide DC fast charging service. As of now, in the first year, 150 DC charging spots have been funded. I think it's about $11 million as of now, and they expect it to reach $1 billion by 2030. On top of that, ChargePoint has over 60% of its customers from Fortune 50 companies, and let's not forget President Biden's $3 trillion to boost the economy, which also includes clean energy and charging stations. We know that America is far behind China and Europe in terms of EV race, and everyone expects year 2021 will be a massive step forward for America in terms of EVs. So lower the number, higher rooms per growth potential. Each and every vehicle registered in the country will have to use charging stations, better revenue growth potential. As of January 2021, US has 17,000 supercharger plugs, whereas China has over 300,000 of those. This clearly shows that US has a lot of room to grow in terms of charging stations, in terms of EVs, even considering that China has a lot bigger market. In this sort of situation, I always think of Jeff Bezos when he said that the stock is not the company and the company is not the stock. If you search ChargePoint on Google, you find each and every article is bullish on ChargePoint. So final point before I go, if you are not a long-term investor, probably this is not the best stock for you. I'm a long-term investor and I see a massive return from this company in the next 5 to 7 years. If you are still there watching the video, thank you very much for watching my video till the very end. Invest safely as always, and see you in the next video.